Hello friends. In my series of talking about total installed capacity of different power stations, I am here again to give my analysis of December 2020. I have already expressed why I have taken the data of December 2020. The reason is very simple. In the public domain, the data is available up to December 2020. And now I am going to start my analysis. This is especially for the young engineers to understand the total installed capacity in India of all the power stations. As we know, the very first concept to understand here is there are five regions: northern, western, southern, eastern, northeastern regions, and islands. Now, types of fuel, they are basically four categories: thermal, nuclear, hydro, renewable energy resources, and within bracket we have written MNRE, that is the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. If we talk about the thermal energy, again it is bifurcated in five types: coal, lignite, gas, diesels. Now we talk about the total grant. That is very important to understand. In the December 2020, total installed capacity by all the resources, all the substations from all the regions, including islands, was 3,75,322.74. Now, coming to the next part, what is the percentage of this total four types of fuel available in India with respect to total installed capacity? And that is depicted by next table. 61.7% is contributed by thermal to the total installed capacity, and nuclear contribute 1.8%. Percentage of hydro is 12.2% of the total installed capacity, and percentage of renewable to the that of total installed capacity is 24.28. The same has been depicted by pie chart on the right hand side. Now coming to the last, if we talk about the renewable energy in megawatts, the small hydro powers contribute 4740, wind power is 38,433, and bio is around 10145 and 168.64 respectively, and solar contribute to 36,999, and total capacity is 90399. This is about the total analysis for the month of December. Now we do the comparison. If you look at that comparison, the very important point to understand here is that if we compare the total generation with respect to November 2020, it is almost same. In November it was 3,74,199.04. Now it has increased little bit, 375,322.74. Now if you look at the percentage of various sources to the total installed capacity, it is almost same: 61.8, 1.8, 12.2, 24.1 of your thermal, nuclear, hydro and renewable with respect to the total installed capacity. Very important. Similarly, the comparisons, if you compare the same thing with November and December in terms of percentage of different types of fuel, it remains same. Now renewable comparison, if we do the comparison of renewable with respect to November and December, if we look at the figure, the percentage of small hydro power to the total installed capacity is 1.2%. Percentage of wind power to the total installed capacity 10.27%. Percentage of biopower to the total installed capacity is 2.75%, and whereas the percentage of solar to the total installed capacity is 9.86%, and it remains almost same in the month of December if we compare both the months. In a similar fashion, if we look at the various sources of renewable to that of the total installed capacity of renewable resources, the contribution of small hydro in terms of the total renewable resources is 5.2%, wind is 42.5%, and bio is 11.4, and percentage of solar is 40.83. In a similar fashion, I will be presenting the analysis same for the month of January and will be doing the comparison. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you.